Hi guys, in this tip I will explain to you how to use decorative black and white photo edges for layer masks in Adobe Photoshop. Here are a few examples where I am using photo edges for layer mask to design beautiful New Year cards. The very first step is to open the file with black and white photo edges in Adobe Photoshop. Select and copy all pixels. I will use Ctrl or Command plus A to select all and Ctrl or Command plus C to copy. With content copied to your clipboard, go to File where you need Layer Mask. In this case, I want to mask the bottom of this image. You must paste copied content onto Layer Mask, so ensure that layer has a layer mask. Before pasting content, hold down Alt or Option and click on the layer mask. This will display only layer mask on your screen. Paste copied content using Ctrl or Command plus V. If you need to scale and move content, then press Ctrl or Command plus T keyboard shortcut to enter free transform mode. After scaling, I will position content and confirm. I will also deselect using Ctrl or Command plus D. To go back to normal view, hold down Alt or Option and click on the layer mask. As you can see, I have a small problem. Image is hidden only where layer mask has black color. To finish up this process, I will select the very bottom of the layer mask. With layer mask selected and selection active, I will fill with black color to hide and that portion of the image. If you need to further adjust the position of layer or layer mask, then unlink them by clicking on chain icon to disappear. Click to select either layer or layer mask in the layers panel, then click and drag or use keyboard to move and nudge. Here is my New Year card finished with black and white photo edge used for beautiful layer mask with a nice wavy transition. Thanks for watching and cheers! If you like my videos, please share them with your friends and subscribe to my channel.